Hey guys, welcome back. Do you remember a couple of months ago I showed off my art studio? All those shelves were bare. Well, they're not bare anymore. This is what I'm getting ready for on the new crafting channel. Is this wild or what? I've been putting things out for like days, trying to find room for everything. And I bought some really, really cool products. I'm stepping over things. You're going to hear crashes any minute. I'm actually stepping over things in my craft room, trying to take things out of boxes. Let's discuss Markart. I'm in love with these pencils. I truly am. The 48 set is on sale for $13 and change. And guess what? Markart is putting out not only the 48 set, but the 72 and the 120 set. Both sets under $30. One is, I think, 21, that's the 72, and the other one is 29, and that's the 120. These are Neenah pencils. Neenah pencils, one of the best pencils that out in China. Deli Pencils, Neenah pencils, Starjoy pencils. They are fantastic pencils. I cannot wait to get the 120 set because you know I'm going to be doing that. They come on June 6th. They're on pre-order now. I'm leaving the link for you. They're on pre-order. They're really super hard to find. I think you have to have been looking at Markart to even find the 120 because they're not even in the search yet. And how do we know that Markart and Neenah are the same thing? See Quorum Color and the light COAR Quorum Color. That's Neenah. There you have it. It's a Neenah pencil. And yes, I know one is missing. It's out on my desk somewhere because I'm using it. Should be an orange pencil. Here's an orange pencil. Is this Expert? Here it is. And there's my set. So again, the Markart is $13 for the 48. Fabulous deal. $21 for the 72 and $29 for the 120. We're going to have a little bit of change of schedule. I needed to show you guys these products because today was supposed to be doing mixed media, and there was so many products that went on this mixed media page that I'm doing for Colorit. There was so many I couldn't. It was becoming too long. So I'm going to show you a couple of the products that are unbelievable. Well, the Sharpie oil, I've shown this to you guys before, the Sharpie oil marker. They comes in a 4-pack of different sizes. And the backgrounds, when you want to turn your background black, this is the stuff to do it. This is not the regular Sharpie marker. This is an oil paint. It dries very quickly. And it has a little bit of a sheen on it. I don't know if it's going to pick up in here. It's not. The pack comes with 4 different markers, all different sizes. It comes with the really tiny for fine detail. It comes with a medium. And then it comes with another one that I haven't opened up yet. And I think this one comes in between because it's a little bit thicker than this one. So it's 4 different sizes, but I'm not sure what size this is. I've used these 3, that's why they're open. I haven't used this one yet. So these are the oil markers for doing black backgrounds. Then I wanted some gold. And I started looking at some of the gold paint pens. Well, there was one for $18, and it was the 18 karat gold from Krylon. And then there was this, the Deco Color Premium. And I said to myself, this one was $3, or in between $3 and $4. I said, where can I go wrong? I'll buy this one. If this is no good and it's not a great gold color, I'll just buy the other one. Well, I'm not going to be buying the $18 one because in my life, I've never had a paint pen that drew like that. This is absolutely like you need it. You needed it yesterday. How did I live without this color? I want you to take a look at it. It just went on. It's dry by now. Only takes a couple seconds, and look at the shine on that. If that is not the highest gold. Now, there is one other product that I haven't... I'll show you in another... It's a paint that's supposed to be the goldest paint in the world. I cannot imagine that being golder than this. And then there's another product. And let me get them out. These are called Wink of Stella pens. Now, the pack that I bought came with 3. 1 in silver, 1 in gold, and 1 in clear. Now, this is what it looks like when it's set up. Before you set this up, it has like a ring that goes on here. I don't know why it's not slipping completely. I thought it went down here. I don't know why it's not slipping there. It prevents the ink or whatever this is from going into the chamber prematurely and spilling during shipping. So you have to open it up and you have to remove that. It does come, and it does come with instructions that says how to do it. This is not a marker like this. This is pure sparkle. Now, it doesn't show up, for whatever reason, it doesn't show up really that great on black. It will show up on the gold. But it's great for white. It's pure gold glitter. And if you could see it in my light, you know how what it's like to show glitter. It's a fine micro glitter of gold. And it's a brush tip, so it goes on so easily, and it gets into the teeny corners. You could do it so little or so big. I was supposed to be practicing my calligraphy all during the pandemic, and I suck. But that's that color. Now I want to show you the silver. That was one of my pandemic things, practice calligraphy. And I just never did it. This is like a ribbon of glitter. Take a look at that, and if I can get it to sparkle. See if I can adjust my light. I don't know if it's going to show up. This one does. It's hard to see. You're going to just have to trust me on that one. And the third one is my favorite. And this is the clear. Anywhere that you want to add a glitter, this is clear. And of course, you're not going to be able to see it on the white. Let's see. Oh, it comes out nice on the black. Okay, and of course you might not be able to see it in the camera. You can see it a little bit in the black, on the black. It's one of those things that have to be. Oh yeah, you can see it. You have to be in person to truly appreciate how gorgeous this stuff is. So these are a couple of the products that I will be using at the end of the week in the demo. So this week's lesson is being moved. So today is the gold demo. Friday is going to be the Colorit mixed media. And then on Sunday, I'm going to put up the lesson. So this way it's every other day. I made the last minute decision to do it this way. And I will see you guys in my next video.